Hey guys, welcome. This is how to remove email addresses from Outlook. So, first thing is just simply go ahead and open up the Outlook software into your device. Now, once you are here, guys, you can just simply go ahead and go to the file on the top left corner of the screen. Now, over here, you should be able to see account settings. So just simply go ahead and select this one over here. And right after that, simply select account settings again. And now it will redirect you to this tab. So from here, as you can see, I have two accounts. So in order for you to remove an account, you will just simply right click on it or click on it. And from here, you will have an option remove. So select remove over here. And as you can see, careful if you remove this account, its offline cache content will be deleted. So if you want to really delete it, you just simply select yes over here and you should be able to remove any account on the Outlook. And pretty much this is the steps on how to organize your account. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.